Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open up Instagram in split screen mode. So this is a really simple thing to do, guys. The first thing we will need to do is head over to our settings. Once we've opened up settings right here, what we need to do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and we need to select developer options. If you don't have developer options already, I will leave a link to a video in the description down below so you can enable developer options. But if you've got this, what you can do is you can click on developer options, and then what we need to do now is we need to go to the search function in the top right hand corner, click on this, and then we can search force. And then as you can see, there will now be an option for force activities to be resizable. Click on that, and then what that will do is it will bring you to this page right here, and now all we need to do is enable that option. So once we have enabled this option right here, we can go all the way back to our home screen, and then what we can do now is we can open up Instagram, and then once we open up Instagram, we can go ahead, click on the three lines in the bottom left hand corner, go to Instagram, click on the Instagram icon, and now you'll see there's an option now to open in split screen view. So click on this, and then now you can go ahead and open up any other app that you want to open up. So for example, Disney Plus. As you can see, we can now use Disney Plus or any other app in line with Instagram. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.